The history of macOS, Apple's current Mac operating system formerly named macOS X until 2012 and then OS X until 2016, began with the company's project to replace its classic Mac OS. That system, up to and including its final release macOS 9, was a direct descendant of the operating system Apple had used in its Macintosh computers since their introduction in 1984. However, the current macOS is a Unix operating system built on technology that had been developed at Next from the 1980s until Apple purchased the company in early 1997. Although it was originally marketed as simply version 10 of the Mac OS, it has a completely different codebase from Mac OS 9, as well as substantial changes to its user interface. The transition was a technologically and strategically significant one. To ease the transition, versions through 10.4 were able to run Mac OS 9 and its applications in a compatibility layer. It was first released in 1999 as Mac OS X Server 1.0, with a widely released desktop version, Mac OS X 10.0, following in March 2001. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.